Let us now look at our first real program which will be implemented by the software. The example is an application for buildings specifically in the bathroom. Let us assume that you want to implement a light fan controller in which the fan is to start with a delay after switching on the light in order to save energy. When you switch the light off again with the fan running, the latter should continue to operate for a specific time to ensure that sufficient fresh air is supplied. Then it should switch itself off automatically. Start the tutorial now by clicking the playback button to see how this application is implemented in the software. In addition, use the demo software to program the example yourself. Make sure that the diagrams mode is active. The second option is the project mode that is dealt with in section 4. We shall assume that you have opened the software and that no program is open. To start, create a new program. To do this, click on the New symbol in the toolbar. This opens the program in the diagram editor and the Properties window. Enter a name for your program. The other settings are not relevant at the moment. Click on the OK button to close the window and start processing the program. Click on the Next button to continue the tutorial. This button appears in different positions in all the tutorials of this WBT. This gives you sufficient time to understand the examples. The digital function blocks and the special functions which appear in the function tree on the left are of importance. At first, we require a digital input to which the switch will be connected in the practical application. Click on the function block Input. Then, click on a position in the diagram. As you can see, the symbol for the digital input appears at this location. Now click on File, then Properties in the menu bar. This opens the Logo Settings window. Switch here to the selection Input-Output Names. Double-click on the name field in the left column at I1 and assign the name Switch. Then, give the two outputs a name. Call Q1 Light and Q2 Fan. Then, close the window by clicking on OK. Click again on the Next button to continue with the example. The input, i.e. the switch, has now been given a name in the diagram. This simplifies your orientation regarding the inserted function blocks. Now insert two digital outputs, one for the light and one for the fan. To do this, double-click on the function block Output. A stamp appears next to the function block in the function tree. This means that you can now insert multiple function blocks, each with a simple click. Add the two outputs with a click each. Both automatically receive the designation previously given. Now you still require an on-off delay, as the fan is to start and stop with a delay after switching the light. To do this, click on the function block On-Off Delay. Then, insert this into the diagram. The delay times now have to be set. Double-click on the function block and the Properties window will open. Assign the on delay and off delay times for the fan, for example 3 and 5 seconds. Then close the window by clicking on OK. Now select the Connect function. Connect the switch with the output 1, i.e. the light, and with the on-off delay, and with the output 2, the fan. The program is now complete. You can test the program you have created offline in the software. Click on the Simulation button in the toolbar at the top right of the diagram editor. Then activate the switch. In the graphic, this is located in the program with the symbol I, or at the bottom left in the Simulation Status area I1. Another click simulates the switch being turned off.